What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. I know it's been quite a while since that last upload.
Know him?
Yeah.
Who are you?
I don't know. I'm Ben from JK Gear and Gadgets. It's been a while.
So.
Thanks for sticking around, guys. We got a lot of cool stuff to talk about and do in this video. First thing we're gonna go over, other than we're gonna talk about the Hemi Jeep, the Gladiator, but Cassie finally finished up her LS swap.
LS swap is pretty much done. It's like 99% done.
Oh yeah.
And she sounds amazing.
Got it tuned, engine's all wired up. We are gonna switch over to the Holly Terminator kit eventually.
But I'm gonna
but
let you
for
guys
now,
listen to it real quick.
yeah, go ahead and start it up. Oh yeah. She is very healthy. The cam is sounding great. Give it a rev real quick. Just a little one.
A little one.
Sounds really, really good. So there's a few things we need to tweak on it. But in this video, we're gonna go to the local off-road spot. We're gonna have some fun in the Hemi Jeep. I have not really had a chance to drive that on the channel, show you guys what it's about. We're also gonna take the Jeep Gladiator out and discuss a little bit about that. You know,
you guys probably thought this build was done at
yeah,
this point, right?
We haven't talked about it. We haven't really done much with it on the channel, but there's another round of upgrades. I mean, the last upgrade was
like a downgrade.
A downgrade. The Riv coil packs caused issues. We have not been taking the Jeep Gladiator or really any of the Jeeps out on trips. So we're gonna talk about future plans and just have some fun out there. You ready?
Let's go.
Let's go. So there's Cassie. We're gonna go ahead and do a little roll race. Was that full throttle?
Yep.
With the Hemi, she moves. It's a lot of fun to drive. Oh, Cassie's going for it. All right, let's see. Let's let her catch up. She thinks she's got it. This thing is just a blast to drive. Let's get out there and we'll talk about it later.
I accept it.
We just made it out here, but before we start talking and rambling on,
it is time to do Hemi stuff. Don't hit it! Oh, that sounds so good! It's probably so much fun too. I think he's going into it. Go into it a little lighter. There we go. Oh God. He's just playing around having fun, which you can't not do when you're driving that thing. Yeah. Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What? Oh my gosh, it was almost a goner! I wish you could have seen that from my view.
Hemi stuff, it might be done.
We're about to do another Hemi swap series.
Well, everybody was saying, Ben, we want to, everybody wants the next upgrade to be a DIY roll cage. That was close.
That might be time.
Woo!
We might need to do that first.
Man, all right, really fast donuts in a Hemi Jeep is kind of hard. Hydro assist, it takes a minute.
Okay, that got your heart racing.
That got my heart racing.
All right.
Let's go find somewhere to, maybe let's just do a little crawling now. How's that sound?
There's some little hills over there.
Yeah, let's go do those.
I almost missed that shot.
Oh my gosh,
too.
Cassie was like, ah! You were about to be one of those like people filming that something crazy happens out there and is looking at the dirt, and then you look up and the ship is in the sky or something. Oh my gosh.
You go from looking through the GoPro just looking at it.
Guys, so that was, man, that'll get you right there. So looking back at the footage, it didn't feel that bad. Cassie showed me I was on 2 wheels. I guess right here, you can't really see it on the GoPro, but it dips down, and coming around there, it dipped down, gained a little traction, and literally put the Jeep on 2 wheels. Luckily, you know, when you're in those situations, you turn into it and just freaking smash the gas. So luckily the Hemi had enough power to where I could turn into the lean, floored it, it brought it right back down. But man, that was close. So All right, let's go find somewhere not as windy to talk about what's going on next.
This is why when Vin says, I want to try something, I get very worried.
It is okay. I got it.
This time.
I got it. Have I flipped the Jeep yet? No, not yet. Not yet.
Stop it, get out of here. Go back to your Jeep. Too easy.
This is the first time driving it in 4 low, and the gearing is super low. Like if you're not holding the brakes,
It just goes.
you go forward. So I'm gonna have to get used to that.
Ghost ride it.
Huh?
Ghost ride the whip.
Yeah, I mean that's pretty slow.
It's slow.
Hop on the hood.
Decent on the hood, on the car. His eyes all good.
She's going off to her new owner.
Whoop, whoop.
Oh.
Don't worry, she'll just roll right up.
Now that we've had some fun and the shenanigans are over, we're in a lot safer spot right now. It's time to kind of talk about what's been happening and recap and talk about what's new. So
If you can hear us,
if you can hear, it's really windy, guys. One thing in the last video, we were talking about cost of the Hemi swap. The Hemi swap is completely worth it. But the one thing I didn't go over is the miles per gallon. So there's, as quick as I can say this without really beating a dead horse, this is a big V8, 6.4 liters of gas guzzling American muscle. Average, I'm, just driving to work, we haven't made any long trips. That, driving to work consists of what, 65 miles an hour?
Down to 30.
Down to 30,
Yeah.
So averaging just between those speeds, like 13.5 miles per gallon.
Which is pretty good.
Which is not bad. Plus, you got to think that every time I drive this, there's at least 1 or 2 occasions when I just completely floor it and let her open up.
Gas it.
So if I drove it conservatively, sure, it'd probably get a little bit better. But 13.5 is not bad, considering that before, even with the 3.8, the V6, I was getting
worse.
what, yeah, I was getting worse than that. We're on 40s, 1-ton axles, and a heavy Jeep, so I gained a little bit of fuel economy, and it's a lot more fun. The downside,
Economy and horsepower.
and the horsepower. The downside is that we have to run premium fuel, so 93 octane.
Which
Yeah.
you can find on the East Coast right now.
Yeah, with the gas shortage, I mean, you always can find that. And I did go ahead and install the AC lines, got those from Jeep Speed Shop. Really easy install, nothing crazy to it.
The Jeep has AC for the first time in over a year.
Over a year, we finally have AC. I think when before we moved down here to Texas, my old AC compressor went out, and this is the first time I've had AC since then. And man, it is so nice. It's needed down here in Texas, I'll tell you that. But about the Gladiator, what's up with that, Cassie?
What's going on with the Gladiator? So,
Everybody wants to know.
originally, we had built the Gladiator to be good at rock crawling, to go overlanding, to be more of a family type vehicle. And with everything that kind of happened this past year, COVID, moving, just time off work,
life in general.
happened, and we didn't really get to do that. Which this Jeep is built for that. We've got the Clayton 3.5-inch lift, we got 37s. Ben, help me out here. What else we got?
I mean, we got everything. Yeah, we got the
gears,
gears, the bumper, the rooftop tent, the
Diamondback
rack,
cover.
Everything.
Everything. It's built for that, but we just haven't had the opportunity to use it for
Really
what we
get out and
originally
use it.
built it for.
And I guess we do. We kind of want to apologize to everybody that has been watching the channel in hopes of seeing the Gladiator and seeing these those cool wheeling, rock crawling, and just off-road trips that we had talked about so much pretty much since we started the channels.
We really wanted to go on, yeah.
But the thing is, we both have YouTube channels. We both have full-time jobs. We have the 2 kids.
We both have kids.
Yeah, we both have kids. Technically, you have a kid and I have a kid. We have twin girls, for those of you that don't know. But life happens. It's been extremely busy. But that does not mean we're just, the fact that we can't go on these trips all the time does not mean we're just forgetting about the Gladiator.
Absolutely
So
not.
the reason I'm bringing this up is because we did the Hemi swap on the JK, which was awesome. A lot of people enjoyed watching that, but is that realistic to 90% of you viewers? Probably not. It is a huge upgrade. And it does take a lot of money. So the next few videos and the kind of next chapter of the build is gonna be the Gladiator. So
round of upgrades coming for the
another round of
Gladiator.
Gladiator upgrades, and hopefully we're gonna take both of these and eventually your LJ out wheeling. I promise, guys, we're gonna go wheeling again.
Guys, we have so much vacation saved up at work between the two of us that it's
I think
time.
I have 80 something days of vacation or leave saved. And I'm about to lose some of it at the end of October. So I have to take I have to take some days off before it goes off the books.
So we're gonna take
80 something days, man. What if I could just take it all at once?
If only.
Somebody's yelling over there.
I'm telling you, they're not just fishing over there.
Oh. So round 2 of upgrades from the Gladiator are coming soon, and the reason I'm doing that is because a lot of those are going to be more realistic to you guys. So we're doing some upgrades that aren't extremely crazy, some very helpful upgrades. Whether you have a Gladiator, whether you have a JL, whether you have a JK, a lot of these upgrades that we're doing to this are going to be helpful to you guys.
Yeah.
Yep, and they're needed upgrades. And that's about it for this video. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. I'm just kidding.
So I just wanted to make this real quick video to bring you guys up to speed that we're still alive, we're still making videos. You know, I know it's been like almost a month since I posted on my channel. Luckily, Cassie just posted on hers, but I figured, hey, let's take these out, let's have some fun, and kind of bring you guys up to speed on why we're starting over with round 2 of the Gladiator before we just hop in to start doing Gladiator upgrades. And hopefully we're gonna squeeze in a wheeling or camping trip here very shortly.
Yes.
But it is a beautiful day out today. It's really windy here in Texas, like always. And luckily we have some cool off-road spots around here. Nothing crazy, but it's
fun to get out. You can get out on a weekday, you know?
yeah, you know,
Go out
it's
and enjoy it.
15 minutes away from the house, so we are going to take these 2, have a little fun over here. Not rock crawling, what do you want to call this?
Mound flexing?
Mound flexing?
Mound
I like it.
flexing.
Mound flexing. Mud crawling.
Pile.
Sand crawling. Dirt crawling.
Dirt. You gotta make it like two of the same sounds. Like mound, pile, something, hill.
No.
Well, it starts with an F. Like, what's a hilly word that starts with an F? So you can say flexing.
I don't know what she's talking about. Man,
no.
we need to build a roll cage for the JK soon.
B. What starts with a B? Flexing.
Cassie couldn't think of any cool names for it, so she's gonna drive up the
Boulder Balancing.
Boulder Balancing. Oh, much wow.
Much wow.
So you're gonna have to have your lockers.
Much wow.
Man, you can't. Like, I mean, this we need another round of upgrades.
Okay.
Nah, you're good. Oh, we're including that. The belly definitely did rub.
We're doing this thing a disservice, not taking it on like beastly things.
We need to take it in the rocks.
We gotta go on the rocks.
Yeah, I'll go up that little ravine hill, I guess.
It just sounds like this machine. It's like
yeah, I feel like there's really nothing here that's challenging enough. We'll go off that and then call it good.
Alright, let's do it.
So like Cassie just said, I think we've kind of maxed out the JK's potential out here. There's really nothing too crazy. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Do you want to see all of the upgrades on the Gladiator? Do you want to see a camping trip, more of an adventure style with the family? Or do you want to see us test this out on some real rocks?
Roll cage.
Roll cage, yeah, that'd be pretty cool too. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sticking around, supporting the channel. Like always, please give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment below.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to Cassie's channel, I guess. And we'll see you later.